Alright, what's going on, everyone? It's gonna be a very short video today because I did not trade really at all this past week. The only times I traded were Tuesday and I think Thursday. The rest of the days, Monday, I did not trade. There was no setup. Wednesday, I couldn't trade because of work. And Friday, I could have traded, but I went diving Friday. So, yeah, I didn't trade Friday at all. But I just wanted to post a video out there because I'm trying to keep up on my grind with posting videos and still being transparent about my trading. And obviously, since you can see, we're not doing so hot. I think the past 3 weeks, man, I've been in a drawdown. Definitely sucks to feel for sure ever since I did really good in January. But the month isn't over yet. I'm still trying to have a positive mindset on this month because I know I could make a comeback, and if I could still make a good comeback and end the month green, at least if it's $1, if we're green at least $1 or any type of green at the end of the month, I'll be happy. But I just wanted to show you that this past week we lost when I was trading the 2 days out of the week, so 1474 really sucks. Here are the trades on the bottom here. So 11th and the 13th, yeah, that's when I traded. That's about it, to be honest. Yeah, I want to be transparent with everyone, and this is gonna be a long journey. So let's get it. Tomorrow is President's Day, so no trading tomorrow. So I will see everyone Tuesday. Let's make it a good week. Let's try to end the month strong, and let's stay focused.